Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 air diesels heater. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the all-in-one car heater remote control. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _ null. Item height, 30 centimeters. Voltage, 12 volts. Item length, 41 centimeters. Material type, metal. Item type, heating and fans. Item weight, 8.8 kilograms. Certification, C. Special features, 18 kW adjustable. Item width, 25.5 centimeters. Fuel, diesel. Model name, Woshi. Item number 2 is Vivor 2 kW 12 volts car heater diesel air heater. Specifications. Brand name, Vivor. Voltage, 12 volts. Item type, heating and fans. Fuel, diesel. Power, 2000 watts. Switch type, LCD switch. Type, 2 kW car heater. Working temperature, 40 C + 20 C. Operating voltage range, 10.5 to 1621 to 32 volts. Heater power, 2 kW. Fuel, diesel. Rated voltage, 12 volts. On the top of our list at number 1, we have a Calorie 12 volts 2/8 kW car heater. Specifications. Brand name, Calorie. Item height, 31 centimeters. Voltage, 12 volts. Item length, 47 centimeters. Item type, heating and fans. Item weight, 10.82 kilograms. Special features, heating. Item width, 37 centimeters. Fuel, diesel. Switch type, LCD switch. Power, 8 kW. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.